Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in lecture number 4, where we are supposed to learn about the conditional statements and all these conditional statements. In pseudocode we learned that there's basically two. The first one is if else then, and the second one was case of otherwise. Remember, they are basically just a one conditional statement that would be used in Python, and that's just if then else. Students, as we know that in if else then structure, your statement will be executed on the condition. If your condition is true, the statement coming after then statement will be executed, and otherwise it will be just coming to the alternate or else part as well. So in previous lesson, as I told you that how can you take the value from the user as well. So there's no need to declare the variables in Python. You will do this via comments and via hashtags as well. So in first of all, we are here going to learn the syntax. Let's suppose I want to show a message on the screen that you are adult, but in which case? The case is that if your age is greater than 80. So here I am going to take another variable which is age, and here I am going to write down a prompt which is input, and the prompt is simply enter your age. That's done. When it's done, it means that I am coming to the if condition as well. So the thing is if age greater than or equals to 18 ended with the colon comes to the print statement, and you will write down the message. That's great. Students, remember that whatever the prompt, it all depends on you, that what you want to write in double quote. That's great, you are adult. All right, there's a is missing. Okay, now moving to the alternate conditions. In case if age is not greater than 18, then we have to print the message print. Okay, so you are child. This is the thing what we will do for the if statements. So I am here going to execute the code. Here is the thing, and here is the code is output is coming. So enter your age. Let's suppose I am entering 78. So that's great, you are adult. I'm going to delete the output, and here I'm going to execute the code again with some kind of formation. I'll put colon over there and put space, and there's control plus S. I'm executing the code again, and here is enter your age, and I am entering 12. So what would be the message as per the condition? So here is okay, so you are child. So this is the thing that how could you use the if else then structure as well. So I am coming out from this code, and now I'll tell you that how can you write on some kind of logical conditions as well. So I am going to take the number input number, not exactly this, I am here. Okay, number equals to integer input, and I am here enter a number, and I missed the colon double quote basically, and enclosed with this as well. As I'll complete this, I'm coming to the condition, and here is if number, अगर हम नंबर का मॉड लेते हैं टू के साथ, एंड इट इज़ इक्वल्स कमिंग इक्वल्स टू 0, and then what we need, I mean it is not coming like this. I'll write like this. Okay, if mod 2, if number mod 2 equals to 0, one thing which I am actually doing wrong, it is exactly this. If number mod equals to this, yeah, the previous one method that would be used for the pseudocode, but in Python you are supposed to write down the structure like this. If number mod 2 equals to 0, then you have to show the message, and the message is print number is even, and otherwise else, and then put in colon, and then again print number is odd. That's the thing. So I am going to delete the previous one output and running the code again. So here is the output. Enter a number. Let's suppose I'm entering 79. There is a code. So the number is odd. I am going to run this code again and again enter a number. It's 66. So the number is even. So this is the thing that you will do for the if then else statements. Okay, now moving to the another more than one conditions. Okay, it was just simple. So this is the thing that what we actually did for the one of the condition. There are sometimes situations that you have to work with more than one conditions, and according to the conditions or different kind of statements will be proceed as well. So I am going to write the code again, and that would be all just about different conditions. So I am going to take another variable which is called marks, and marks equals to means integer, and that will be entered by the user, and here is enter your marks. Okay, and now I'm going to use the multiple conditions over there. If marks greater than 80, there is if marks are greater than 80, putting colon over there, then your statement would be print and double quote, and the message would be grade A. Coming to the second, instead of putting else, if, no, you have to use the keyword which is called elif in Python. Elif marks greater than 70, putting the colon over here again, print and putting the double quote message grade is B. Coming to the third condition, sorry, elif marks greater than 60, and uh, instead, let's suppose marks are not greater than 60, I mean it's coming below, and so I will close this statement and fail. Okay, control plus s, and that's all. I am going to running the code over here again, and let's suppose I am entering the marks that the range is let's suppose 40. So what would be the message for me? Oh my god, it's failed. So because it is falling in the name, because it is not coming in this boundary, so greater than 60 and then all that. So the finally I enter the marks which is lesser than 60, and it is coming finally a message fail. Let's suppose I want to enter the value again, so I am entering 95. So what would be the message for me? Enter grade A, because it checked the condition and it is true. So this is the whole thing that will be used in if else structure as well. In the next video I will write down the whole code that would be let you know about it easily, that how will you take the number from the user and all that. So stay subscribe, stay in touch and subscribe the channel, and just keep in touch, and in case of any query you have, you can comment and I will definitely answer you. That's great. Allah Hafiz.